Hello and welcome to another episode of How to Do It by Duane's Reliable Computer Services. So today we're going to talk about one of my favorite tools in Windows, and that is the snipping tool. I've went ahead and I pinned mine to the taskbar because I use it so often. We'll pop this open. So this is the snipping tool, and if you can't find it, couple things you can do is you can go to this, you can go snipping tool, and you can find it that way. You can also go and find it under, well, it's not there. So the easiest, oh, and the reason it's not there is it's been replaced with Snip and Sketch. And it says right here, try Snip and Sketch. So we're going to start with the snipping tool. So basically, what is the snipping tool? It allows you to take copies of different things. So let's say I'm looking at something on the internet and, oh wow, this is a great sale. So I hit the snipping tool and my whole screen goes white, and then I go like this and I can highlight what I want and I can save this, and then I can send it to a friend of mine and say, look at this great sale that's going on, but we're not going to save that one. We don't need to save that. So that's basically how the tool works. Wanted to show you some other things with it. There's a delay on this. Now, what I use this tool for a lot is for training. If I'm showing someone how to do something and I've got to send them instructions, I'll use it for that. Now, one problem with doing this is if I pop this open and I tell people, okay, so you're going to click on the W for web root, and I hit snip, as soon as I do that, that goes away. So that doesn't work. So let's escape and let's try the delay. Let's go to delay for 4 seconds. Okay, so now I say snip, I pop this open, and I wait. There it is. So now I can say, okay, pop this open, and now I've got that. So that's a real helpful thing with that. We don't need to save that one either. So that's another real good thing. Now, the Snip and Sketch gives you even more tools. So with that one, and we'll close that. So with Snip and Sketch, we say new, and it gives you some choices. First of all, the first choice is the rectangular snip, and that's going to be where you say, okay, I want this to be my picture. Okay, so also gives you other tools. So now we can draw on it. We can say, okay, here is what we've got. Okay, so you can do that. You can do highlight. So we're going to highlight this area down here. Okay, so those are other tools that you can use with it, and it can come in real handy if, like I said, you're using it as a training tool to show people how to do something. Next one is this tool, the freeform snip. So with that one, I can literally go like this, and I can say, this is what I want to get, is this area right here. And I can get a snip of just that. So there's a lot of uses you could use for that. And let's go to new again. There's this tool, which is the window snip, and it's going to take, hold on, we're going to get out of that for a second. And let's bring up this. So I've got an email here. Okay, so if we go to this and we go new, and the window, it'll do just this window right here. Boom, I got that window. Okay, so that works. And the final one that it can do is it does an entire screen just like that. So it takes the entire, I have 2 screens, so it took the entire 2 screens. So I could easily do that without having to drag the cursor all the way around everything. So that's the snipping tool. I hope this has been a good video for you. Oh, another real good use for this. I use this all the time. I tell people when they get an error message, I say, just snip it and send it to me so I can take a look at it and we can see what's going on with it. So hope you enjoyed this video. Watch my other videos. I've got a whole playlist of those, and subscribe to my channel.